we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 and the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus. Both seem decent, but what are the real differences?
Okay, let's dive in. The Philips is listed at $599. It seems the De'Longhi is unavailable right now. That in itself is a pretty big difference, right?
Yeah, definitely. Price and availability matter. But assuming they were both available, what about features?
Well, the Philips boasts 5 coffee options, including iced coffee, which is a pretty cool feature. It uses something called LatteGo for frothing milk. And they say it makes up to 20,000 cups with its ceramic grinder.
20,000 cups? Wow. What about the De'Longhi? What does it bring to the table?
The De'Longhi has a fancy 3.5-inch color touchscreen and even a Coffee Link app where you can customize and save your recipes. It claims to offer 16 different one-touch drinks, also including iced coffee. It also has a built-in burr grinder with 13 settings.
Okay, so more drink options and app connectivity with the De'Longhi. The Philips seems simpler, maybe more focused on the basics and longevity with that grinder.
Exactly. The De'Longhi also features something called Smart One Touch, which learns your preferences. Plus, it has a thermal milk carafe with an auto-cleaning function. That sounds convenient.
Auto-cleaning is always a plus. What about size? Counter space is precious.
The Philips is 17 inches deep, 10 wide, and 15 high. The De'Longhi is a bit smaller in width at 9.3 inches, but similar in depth and height, being 13.7 deep and 16.9 high. So not a huge difference there.
Okay, so the De'Longhi, while unavailable now, has a nicer display, app connectivity, and more drink options. The Philips is simpler, potentially more durable, and is actually available.
Yeah, it really boils down to what you value most. Do you want all the bells and whistles and the potential for personalized drinks? Or a more straightforward machine that focuses on the essentials and claims to last a very long time? And of course, the price and availability of the De'Longhi are unknowns right now.
That makes sense. Thanks. I think I have a better idea of which one might be a better fit for me now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.